Hi, Mickey from Cekim Electronics here, and today we're gonna try to clean the surface of the lens on the phone. It's a Realme 9 4G, which came in with a broken camera glass, and I didn't get the module in time, so I will try to clean the lens itself, which is really difficult, as I know, because if you touch the lens with whatever, it becomes blurry. So yeah, this lens seemed to be not scratched or anything, but only has dust on it. So I believe that we can solve this to that degree that the customer will use their camera without any problem. But we will see on the end. So yeah, let's just try to clean it and we will see how it goes when we're done. So yeah, let me just switch to the microscope here. You can see over here that there is dust on the lens. I have tried to blow the dust away, but this is as far as I made it. So yeah, now I will use the really fine Q-tip that I have bought on so let me show you over here. So this is the fine let's say Q-tip that's used for, I think that's used for nails, and you will see this on microscope that it is really thin. And let's just try to clean this with, and we will see really soon if we did scratch something. Or for now it seems to go well. So yeah, those lenses are really sensitive to any kind of let's say, if I touch this with alcohol, this lens will not work anymore. It will get blurry, and yeah, so maybe we can do this without damaging the lens. That would be amazing, because those modules for Realme 9 are fairly expensive. So yeah, this will with no doubt be better solution for the customer. So I'm blowing with compressed air. I have maybe you will hear it. I have a small compressor over here in my shop, which I'm planning to put outside because it's really loud, and yeah, it scares the crap, not anymore, but it scared the crap out of me if I was working late and I was doing some precise work. Yeah, it just because the air is leaking a little bit, so sometimes it surprises you and just starts to work, and it's not as quiet as it could be because it's fairly big compressor. So it's sometimes it can get interesting here. Okay, so it seems that we can do this without any problems, and it looks to me that the lens will be pretty clear and not damaged. So I will say that this, apart from over here, maybe it looks really good. Okay, so let's blow some more air on it. Yeah, that's nice. It seems that the universe again sent some, let's say, good vibes, because as the lens or as the module was not available in the store that I'm usually buying, and I saw another one, I looked at another one and they also didn't had it. So yeah, I said to myself, because the shipment with this whole assembly already came in, so I said to myself, let's just try to just clean this, but I have never tried this. So yeah, I said to myself, let's just try to clean this, and we will see how it goes. I can order this module after I replace the screen, the glass, and at least the phone will be closed and not subjected to the outer environment, because if you leave this hole opened, there's all kinds of problems that can arrive with it, because the dust goes in and moisture can get in the phone. So yeah, lucky for this customer. Okay, so I think that I should stop, because this is as far, this looks really good, because, and I think that if I poke it much longer, I will do more damage than it is already. So yeah, we can see over here some micro scratches. Maybe those were done by me, I don't know, but okay. So those are really minor, and I think that they will not affect the picture. So yeah, let's just try this, how it looks. How can I show you? This will be okay. So I will just switch to this camera, and I will try to. The phone is turned on, so now the picture should be clear. Yeah, it's really nice. I forgot to show you the picture before, but now it looks really clean. Yeah. So I will mark this repair as success. I just need to swap so open the phone and swap the whole camera assembly, because this is scratched, and yeah, so I believe that we were successful over here. I must thank you for watching this video, and thanks for all your likes and subscribes. It helps a lot. It helps a lot if you like this video, so it helps to support this channel and to support what I'm doing. And this recording stuff takes a little bit of time, and post-production also. So yeah, I will be really pleased if you smash a like button and subscribe to this channel, and hopefully you have learned something today, and I wish you all the best. Have a good one. Bye bye.